Hello there and welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you vintage color mixing and I'm going to start with basic, but before that I have to tell you something. According to what I found to my audiences, most of my viewers are unsubscribed and it's a little bit so sad. But that's fine, at least I see my YTC growing up day by day. At para po sa lahat ng mga kababayan kong Pilipino, English speaking muna tayo po kasi may nanonood pa lang taga ibang bansa. If you like my videos and if you wanted to learn more about arts, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for you to be updated, and I will do my best for you to learn. In this video, I'm just using primer colors like red, yellow, blue, black, and white. Today I'm going to make a quick sketch of freehand vintage garden. Vintage color mixing is just a combination of primary colors, but there's a presence of orange, brown, and rose sienna in each of every colors. And it always depends on the scene that you're going to make. So let's start first with orange, just composed of yellow and red, and the brown was just composed of yellow, red, and a little bit of blue. Rose sienna was composed of red, blue, and more on yellow. Let's make shadow colors of dark brown. This will serve as a shadow or a background leaves. And then let's make same color on the other side, because I wanted to make it appear something like a pathway, I think. And then let's add some unique branches like this. You can make your own freehand branches you like. And the next one, let's add another layer of background leaves. We need something like dark green with a little bit of brown. As you can see on that picture, it was my artwork, and I'm going to teach you something like that, but I'm going to teach you step by step because it is so very difficult if I redirect you to a realistic painting tutorials. So I am making something like episodes, I guess, and this video will be the first episode of vintage color mixing tutorial. If you have primer color paints, you can have a try mixing something like this. You can do it practice or exercise. Maybe you can discover more colors, because primer colors can create more colors like vernadian, vermilion, green, orange, brown, etc. There are more colors that can make on these primary colors. So there are few touches left. It's just a finishing touch by this makeup brush that I'm using. I think we're done, and please stay tuned for this lesson. If you wanted to learn more about vintage color mixing, I'm going to teach you the best as I can to make you learn. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching.